Okay, this is Miss Rosenthal. We're going to go over a few notes dealing with compound shapes. So you can see in front of you we've got this problem where we want to find the volume of this shape. I want you to pay attention here, up here in the corner here. I've given the different formulas for each volume for each of the shapes that we've done. These are very particular for each of those shapes. There's a lot of other shapes, obviously, that we can find the volume of. But for the rectangular prism, otherwise known as a box, we took length times width times height. Length and width are how you find the area of a rectangle. For a triangular prism, we took b times h divided by 2 times the length. This is how you find the area of a triangle. Volume of a cylinder, we said pi r squared times h. This pi r squared is how you find the area of a circle. So in each of these cases, and in any other case, to find the volume of a solid, you're going to take the area of the base times the height. Now the area of the base is signified by a capital B, and that base could be a cylinder, it could be a triangle, or it could be some compound shape like we have over here. The height, again, is going to be how far is it between each of those shapes, or each of those ends. So when I look here, I want to find the volume of this shape. I'm going to look at the base here, which is this compound shape. To find the area of this, I'm going to find the area of the whole thing, and then I'm going to subtract this little piece that I don't want. So this is what I need for my capital B. So I've got a rectangle here that is 6, that's brought up from here. This side is 10, brought up from the back. So this rectangle is 6 times 10. The one I don't want is 2 times 7. When I do that, I get 60 for the whole thing, 14 for the little door that I don't want. So I'm going to subtract those two, and that leaves me 46 to be the area of this shaded piece. So now to find the volume, I'm going to take that area, 46, times 4. 4 is how far it is between, in this case, the front and the back. That would be considered the height of the prism. When I multiply 46 times 4, I get 184 millimeters cubed. Again, we're finding volume. Okay. On my second example, again, we just want to find the area of the base. In this case, the base is kind of an L shape. I drew a line down here, and that divided my shape into two rectangles. This rectangle is 8 by, didn't know this one, but I did know this part was 5. That comes down here. If 9 is the total from left to right, and this much is 5, that's going to leave 4 for here. So this rectangle would be 8 times 4. This rectangle is 5. This piece right here comes from the back is 3. So 5 times 3 would be that piece. When you put those together, and in this case I'm going to add them because I want both of them, I get 47. So the area of my base is 47. The height or length between those two bases is 10. So 47 times 10, 470 cubic centimeters. So hope that helps. Divide it. Make sure you're taking every step. Be very methodical, and you'll do just fine.